I just replaced this Honeywell smart home thermostat with this Amazon smart home thermostat. Here's how and here's why. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. You want to check with your manufacturer or your warranty for your HVAC system to see if this is okay. And then you want to check the wiring of your thermostat. So we're going to pull down the flap on the old one and we're going to look for anything that's labeled 110, 220, L1, L2. And we do not have that, and we also have G and C are separate wires, so ours is compatible and able to be changed. So then you want to kill the power. So you open the new box after you verify that yours is compatible, and it says stop. Please read the start guide before proceeding. Download the Alexa app and select to add device. Follow the in-app instruction to install your thermostat. So that's what we're going to do. Go to add device, hit device, thermostat. This is an Amazon smart thermostat. No, hasn't been installed on the wall. A drill with a 3/16 inch bit, a pen or pencil, a bubble level. Next, take a photo of the wiring. Do you have a Honeywell thermostat? Yes. If you have a battery-powered thermostat, the display might stay on after you turn off the breaker. Make sure the power to your system is off by adjusting the temperature at least 5 degrees and waiting 5 minutes. Your system should not turn on. Carefully remove your thermostat's faceplate. Check your wiring. Make sure it doesn't have one of those. No high voltage. Okay, take a photo. Oh, look, they even are so smart they give you a use photo. There are no jumper wires, so make sure your system doesn't have jumper wires. Which terminals have wires connected to them? R, W2, C, G, Y. So yellow, green, C, G, O, W2. Next. Now they have these lockdowns. Even though the breaker's off, I'm trying not to cross them. Push that down further. It'll loosen the wire and we'll pull it out. Now I've got all the wires disconnected from the old thermostat. Now we're going to want to push these tabs in, these two little tabs here at the bottom. And slide it off the hook. Then you can pop this plate off and get at these screws. These screws will need to come out in order to mount the new thermostat. Installing the optional trim plate. We'll install it with the wall anchors and a cute little level. That's the optional faceplate. There's the thermostat itself. Got to have the Alexa app in order for this to work. You may need a C power adapter. Because of our wiring configuration, we do not need a C power adapter. All the hardware, including a cute little screwdriver. We don't need that. Wall anchors and the wall plate.
Now there are several reasons why I went with the Amazon Smart Thermostat over other thermostats like the Google Nest. First is affordability. The Amazon Smart Thermostat is priced more competitively than the Google Nest. The second is we're an Amazon Alexa house, and so as a result, most of our other devices are already connected to the system, so it was made for seamless pairing.
And careful not to cross these. That. Not too tight, it's only plastic. Perfect. The Y, the G, the C, the O, the W2, and the R.
Third reason we went with the Amazon Smart Thermostat is the energy savings that the programmability offers. It's even so intuitive that it can guess when we're going to be home and adjust the thermostat accordingly.
Double check your wiring. Y, G, C, O, W2, and R. Close the wiring cover. Attach the thermostat to the wall plate. That is up. Turn the power on at the breaker box. Device. Thermostat. Amazon. Yes. This says set to display on. Yes. Now connect it to the Alexa. Grab the barcode. Scan code. Looking for your thermostat. Connecting to your Amazon thermostat. This will take up to a minute. Connected to Fieldhouse. Next, we'll help you finish setting up the device. This is, we're going to call it downstairs. Thermostat. Finish setup. Wow.
Also, there's no subscription required for basic features. While the Nest offers advanced features with its paid subscription, the Amazon Smart Thermostat provides its basic features without the need for additional subscriptions. It's a simple and easy setup.
So that's the quick and easy installation of the Amazon Smart Home Thermostat. In the next episode, I'm going to tell you how to get the most out of this thermostat. Click the image on your screen now. I'll see you then.